Hey everybody, I have an exciting thing to show you today. You may notice that my hair is styled slightly different from its usual because it's just gotten much too long and too heavy to be able to style it in its usual way, so we look a bit different at the moment. We look a bit different at the moment. Also, we have a different background. We've moved house. It's still a bit chaotic and still things need to be painted and blah blah blah. But I want my house to be like a museum where people can come to see us. Me. It's good to not be where we were before. Anyway, although they've been dropping hints for a wee while, Killstar's latest collaboration, just about to drop, is with the Wednesday show from Netflix. I imagine if you got to do a collaboration with that show, you could come up with so many fun, creative ideas. I don't know how many pieces will be in the collaboration or what they will be. I don't know what's in here. It's an exciting surprise. So we can at least see what's in this bag. This is a first look at this exciting collaboration. I recently did, where's my scissors? A review. I called it a reaction, but my reaction videos are always more as they happen reviews. But as this was an entire series, it was sort of a review of the series. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up now. You know, when I was a little girl, like so many little girls, I wanted to be Wednesday Addams or Lydia Deetz.
My whole life is a dark room.
But now that I've grown up, I have become Delia Deetz.
If you don't let me gut out this house and make it my own, I will go insane and I will take you with me!
The two Addams Family films from the early 90s were two of my favourite movies of all time. I watched them over and over and over and over and over and over. And I love Killstar. I mean, I've made like a million videos about Killstar. I have a lot of stuff from Killstar. I just happen to like them. I think they're good. I don't like everything that they do, but so much of it does appeal to me that pretty much all the time I've got something on my person from Killstar. Right now, this cool headband, this beautiful necklace, some of these rings, oh, even some of the stuff behind me is from Killstar. So I really hope that this collaboration will be, well, up to expectations. Ooh, star. It sounds like badges. I think there might be some pins or something in here. If for some astonishing reason you don't know who Killstar is, they're probably one of the biggest alternative fashion homeware brands in existence at the moment. Hands up if you enjoyed the Wednesday show on Netflix. Like I said, I did do a wee review of it. Long story short, I enjoyed it. I liked it. I watched it twice. Oh, I see black fabric. Shock! Yeah, I have no idea what's in this bag. I have no idea what's involved in this collaboration. Oh! What do we got? Once an Addams, always an Addams. Well, it's a tote bag. I have a lot of tote bags. Tote bags are like a band merch item that I usually buy, so I have lots of them and I actually use them a lot. This looks like a good, solid tote bag that will last. Very cute. What do you think? I think one of my favorite parts of the show is the music. That cover of Paint It Black is like so beautiful. Oh, there's lots of doodads in here. Hang on, let me just, there we go. Got a sticker. What's this, the same thing? The rapture can't come soon enough. Coming autumn 2023. Well, let's hope the rapture doesn't come. I've discovered the source of the badge jiggly noise. Got some badges. I've got two of each one here, so I might give like one to a friend. No hug zone. Aww. You know, honestly, I like hugs. Hugs are always welcome with me. So I feel like if I wore this badge, I would be lying. It is cute in an unfriendly sort of a way. What do we have here? I can't wait to see what the entire collection is going to be. What's this? Solitude suits me. Well, that's true. This must be socks. Ah, I see. Once an Addams, always an Addams. I must say, I have some socks from Killstar and they have lasted and lasted and lasted and lasted. I mean, I know I sing Killstar's praises a lot, but seriously, they're some of the best socks I have. Like, I've had them for years and they don't look like I've had them for years. These are cute. If you watch the show, did you have a favourite character? I couldn't really say who my favourite character was except for maybe Wednesday herself. Right, what is this? This large item. It looks like a jersey or a sweater, as some of you would say, or a jumper. Did they send my size? Did they remember? They did. Thank you. There we go. Can you get the, oops. This cabinet behind me is entirely full of glass and booze, so I don't want to break out either of those things. There we go. Great big jersey. Perfect for the weather here at the moment. I know for most of you it's coming up autumn. It's about to be autumn. It's just starting spring here, but because of where I live now, I've moved back to my hometown. It never really gets hot or warm. It sort of stays autumn. You have winter and then it's like autumn the rest of the year. There's a few daisies and blossoms popping up, but it was hailing yesterday and it's 2 degrees today, so I'm glad to get a jersey. A collab. How original. I think I'd better try it on over my top that I've got on. Might look a bit silly. Doot, doot, doot. Now I've got like a matching jersey, matching socks, matching bag, and some stickers. I usually put stickers on my desk. Cool. I'll try it on properly without like other stuff underneath later and probably put a picture on Instagram. It's nice and it fits perfectly. Ta-da! Matching. Thank you so much, Killstar. I can't wait to see what else is going to be in this collaboration. Oh, the sun is all like coming at me. I'll link below to my little review of the show if you like. I will of course also link below to Killstar, where you can go have a look at their massive range of things for every aspect of your life. Homewares and stationery and swimwear. They have clothes and clothes and clothes and accessories and jewellery, and I think this is probably the coolest collab that Killstar's done so far. It's the one that certainly appeals to me the most, being such a big Addams Family fan my entire life. Thank you for joining me on this wee video. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. That would be nice. And as always, take care of yourself, be nice to each other, stay creepy, kooky, mysterious and spooky. And I'll see you next time. Bye.